Job aspirants to the police department from across the state of Meghalaya had met reporters in Shillong on the 24th of November 2022 to announce the agitational program to be held on 30th November. It may be reminded that the aspirants had appeared for a written examination to the post of Meghalaya Sub-Inspector of Police Unarmed Branch in November 2021 and personal interview in February 2022, yet the results to both have not been announced till date. One of the young aspirants, while speaking to media persons in the city, informed that permission from the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District to hold a rally on the 30th of November has been sought. However, the young people are all set to participate in the rally that will be held on the 30th of November 2022 that will start from Malki Ground and culminate at the Civil Hospital Point Shillong to once again send a clear message to the state government to speed up the process of announcement of results to the position they had applied for in the police department of the state.
Tekawe kamat bangi mut banon ra lesai ka karalimo kadai kantam e bangi la yo sewe kene ka reservation polisi te bagi la pernah hadu nyopo persen la sisa kan de kadai ka basisa kam de ku berham saya te kat nyopo persen kan pusya garu hills te nakal jong ingim so la pedang te kata 40% ni ukasi te la kumnum do 50-50 mo ngi kwa kata ri ben ong hadu nyopo persen kan de cakaru te 40% kasi te tang kito ki bro jong ki minister la kot hi set kata ka 40% kan tung tang we arnu la pui 40% de ga bangi kata ka jik terekam kata reservation polisi ru ningung tim rengi shu se kata tengim se la pedang te la da kan ka di sya ka kubur ke basya te nimut ban i ka jik persya ka jungi te sepang kata